A confrontation reportedly occurred between Naga residents and personnel of Assam Rifles at Waphong in Naga village under Waphong subdivision headquarters in Tamenglong district on the morning of March 11. According to sources, the incident took place after Assam Rifles personnel allegedly fired at a camp of local volunteers and destroyed a bunker constructed by village guards to protect civilians. Sources further stated that the security personnel also seized belongings of Naga volunteers during the operation, triggering tension among the villagers. It was reported that several rounds of ammunition were fired towards the village around 11 p.m. on Tuesday night, creating fear and panic among residents. Following the incident, the residents demanded repeal of Armed Forces Special Powers Act (AFSPA) from Naga inhabited areas and called for removal of Assam Rifles from such regions, alleging that the presence of the forces has led to intimidation and insecurity among civilians.